I had gone to another doctor that didn't know what he was doing. And the uppers had cracked and broke, and Dr. Gurney was trying to repair the problems that the other guy had put in there, and they weren't repairable. So basically you had to take everything out of the uppers. The lowers seemed to be fairly stable. He was able to work with those. The other guy would take like 4 hours to just take out one of the other uppers or lowers, and my wife and I came in here and he had them out in 15 minutes, and we both looked at each other like, what the heck? It was amazing.